India is making a significant change to its visa policy, specifically targeting Chinese travelers. This new approach is designed to foster better relations and enhance mutual understanding between the two nations. This shift aims to streamline the visa application process, making it easier for Chinese citizens to visit India. By simplifying the procedures, India hopes to remove the barriers that have previously deterred Chinese tourists from exploring its rich cultural heritage and diverse landscapes. The move signals a potential warming of relations between the two Asian giants. Improved diplomatic ties could pave the way for more collaborative ventures in various sectors, including trade, education, and technology. It also underscores India's efforts to boost tourism and attract foreign investment. By making the country more accessible to Chinese travelers, India aims to showcase its tourism potential and invite more international visitors to experience its unique offerings. Previously, obtaining an Indian visa could be cumbersome and time-consuming for Chinese nationals. The lengthy process often involved extensive paperwork and long waiting periods, which discouraged many potential visitors. The new policy seeks to address these challenges by simplifying procedures and reducing bureaucratic hurdles. This includes faster processing times, fewer documentation requirements, and more efficient service at Indian consulates and embassies. This streamlined approach is expected to encourage more Chinese tourists, business people, and students to consider India as a destination. The ease of obtaining a visa will likely lead to an increase in travel for leisure, business, and educational purposes. The policy change comes at a time when India is experiencing robust economic growth. The country is keen to leverage this growth by attracting more international visitors and investors, which in turn can further stimulate the economy. The country is eager to attract foreign investment and expand its tourism industry. By opening its doors wider to Chinese travelers, India hopes to tap into the vast potential of China's outbound tourism market. China, with its burgeoning middle class and growing outbound tourism market, represents a significant opportunity for India. The new visa policy is a strategic move to capitalize on this opportunity, fostering closer economic and cultural ties between the two nations. Additionally, the policy is expected to enhance people-to-people connections. Chinese tourists can immerse themselves in India's vibrant festivals, while students can benefit from India's educational institutions, creating a bridge of understanding and cooperation. In the long run, this initiative could lead to more cultural exchange programs and collaborative projects between Indian and Chinese businesses. The enhanced interaction will not only boost tourism, but also strengthen the overall relationship between the two countries. As India and China continue to navigate their complex relationship, such positive steps can build a foundation of trust and mutual respect. The new visa policy is a promising start towards a more harmonious and prosperous future for both nations. India's decision to ease visa restrictions for Chinese citizens is driven by a confluence of factors. Economically, India recognizes the potential benefits of increased Chinese tourism and investment. China is one of the world's largest economies and a major source of outbound tourists. Attracting Chinese visitors and businesses could provide a substantial boost to India's economy. Politically, the move can be seen as an attempt to improve bilateral relations between the two countries. India and China have a complex history marked by border disputes and strategic rivalry. By facilitating people-to-people exchanges, India may be seeking to build trust and reduce tensions with China. Culturally, the policy shift could foster greater understanding and appreciation between the two ancient civilizations. Increased interaction between Indians and Chinese could lead to cultural exchanges, promoting tolerance and breaking down stereotypes. This could contribute to a more stable and peaceful regional environment. The easing of visa restrictions for Chinese citizens is expected to have several positive outcomes. Firstly, it could significantly boost bilateral trade between India and China. Increased business travel and tourism could lead to new partnerships and investments. Secondly, the move could pave the way for enhanced diplomatic engagement between the two countries. With more people-to-people interactions, there will be greater opportunities for dialogue and cooperation on shared challenges. Thirdly, the policy shift could foster stronger people-to-people ties between Indians and Chinese. Increased tourism and cultural exchanges could help break down stereotypes and build lasting friendships. This could create a more positive and cooperative atmosphere in the region. The long-term implications of India's new visa strategy for Chinese citizens are significant. For India, The move could lead to increased economic growth, improved diplomatic relations with China, and a more stable regional environment. By attracting Chinese investment and tourism, India can create jobs and boost its economy. For China, the policy change represents an opportunity to expand its economic and diplomatic influence in South Asia. By strengthening ties with India, China can gain access to a large and growing market. The success of this initiative will depend on both countries' commitment to fostering a more cooperative and mutually beneficial relationship. If successful, it could serve as a model for other countries seeking to improve relations with their neighbors.